Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So one of my favorite castings. I never had this before. I think I have only one, but I didn't unbox that. It was in a 5-pack. So this is a Toyota AE Sprinter Torino, and as you guys know, this car became very popular because of Initial D, and I started watching the Diamond 4th season now, and I got to say, it's an awesome series. If you like the first 4 or 5 Fast and Furious movies, still Tokyo Drift I'm talking about, if you love those movies, because those are purely about racing, you will definitely love Initial D. I suggest you to download it in torrent and just watch it. I downloaded it via torrent. I downloaded the entire entire series of it. So I'm just going through one by one. Okay, so I bought this for MRP, and yeah, so I just loved it. I bought it. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So the card is a little bit damaged, so I'm just trying to... Okay, let's see if I can take it out like this. Yeah, it is coming out. Okay, so here it is. So again, the initial impressions are like, I don't know what kind of paint job they are using for these kind of things. It is not good. It is not even proper, it is not even... It doesn't even look good. The color looks really beautiful. It's golden color and it looks really beautiful. So this one is the popped up headlights. So this car actually has a pop-up headlights, and they decided to go with the headlights popped up, okay, which is really nice in my opinion, and they painted it as well. So same goes for the tail lights, and they added the detail here. So it originally says Apex okay, right now I forgot. So there is something, I think the engine twin cam, if I'm not wrong. Here it is, after Apex. It says twin cam, because I saw it initially. Okay, again, one thing I hate about this is the chassis is plastic. Man, for $299 at least you could have just went with, metal chassis, specifically for this car. So I was really happy, when I bought this one, but I'm really hating metal right now because not going with a metal chassis here. This is plastic, man, and at least it has this rear view mirrors here. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it does roll really well. Okay, it does roll really well, so I'm happy with it, because being a very popular car, I was expecting this to at least roll well. It did, so I'm really happy about that. This will be going in my either this case or that case, or I'm planning to buy a couple of cases tomorrow. I will be putting in any one of those. So let's see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.